Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I've got the first impression about the 4-in-1 Perfector foundation by Maybelline. And as you can see, I've got two colors. I've got the 00 Fair to Light and 01 Light. And I couldn't choose because it was in the box. I couldn't test anything, so that's why I picked up both. It's moussey. Okay, so check this out. This is a weird substance. So that was the 00. This is the 01. Okay, this is definitely my color now. This is more the summer color, I think. So we are going in with the 00 light to fair. Before we do, we need to prime. So because this is a matte foundation, I want a illuminating primer, and the primer by Nimya will do that. This product has the claims of 4 products in one step. So it is an instant perfected matte look, blurs pores, mattifies, conceals blemishes, even skin tone with light coverage. So I am very curious. There's nothing about do it with your hands or apply it with a brush or a sponge. So I'm going to do one side with brush and the other side by sponge. It is a really funny texture. It's a little bit moussey. I never used moussey stuff on my face before. Brush. It doesn't have a scent, and it is a anti-age eraser or an instant age eraser. Okay, yeah, it mattifies. I don't know if it plays well with primer, but we shall see. It really evens out my skin tone. The redness is a little bit lighter than this side. So forehead, and this is a real test because I've got lines on my forehead and I am very curious if it's not going to be in the lines, because it's an instant age eraser, and if it is clucking up in my lines, it's going to be something that makes me older instead of younger. I think it's a little bit patchy over here, so I want to see if I can build this up a little bit more. So I don't think a brush is a good idea. Oh, I hate that if it's coming in my hairline and it is so visible. Okay, this is the side by brush, and it has to be a light layer. That's what it said. Not loving it so far. Let's see what the sponge is doing. I think that the application by brush is better than by sponge. You've got more coverage by brush, but I really like to tap it in with the sponge. After that I put it on by brush, I noticed, because it's more compact, I think. Okay, it conceals, they say, but I got that little red pointy, but it doesn't conceal that very well. It doesn't hide my pores. I think it's just more noticeable. That's what I can tell from now. It is in the pores. Maybe if I work it in with my fingers more. And I'm not sure if I'm wiping it away or that it is really covering something still. No, this isn't really my foundation. It is a whipped matte makeup. It is really foamy. I don't know, it is, no, I hope you can see it, but here at my hairline, it is clocking up, it is not pretty. It's a little bit patchy. Same here. And if you come to my nose, you can see the, oh, you can see the pores are filled up. It isn't that it's more pore minimizing, it is more pore enlarging. So it's more like, hi, I've got pores, very big one on my nose. So no, this is not what I expected at all. You can see it over here as well. It is really not that pretty. It's here. And it feels a little bit silicone-y. So from a distance, and I see myself, I think, okay, that's nice. But if I'm looking in my mirror, I think, oh my god, girl, what did you do to your face? This was the first impression about the 4-in-1 Perfector foundation by Maybelline. I hope you liked this first impression, and if you learned something about the products and if it's something for you, let me know in the comments if you are going to buy it or that you had the same issues that I did. I would like that. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!